Good morning, everybody. It's Ben with the DIY Home Front, or maybe I should say garden front, because today I'm working in the garden. I got some inexpensive raised beds last year because I wasn't sure if we were going to like them or not. Well, it turns out we do like them, and we lined them with some fabric. And I'm going to put some drip edging around them to hold that fabric down. I started a week or so ago and ran out of the edging and had to order some more. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm going to finish it up. So let's go look at that drip edging and let's get started. All right where my wife said it would be. Looks like we've already got some peppers fresh from the garden. So we got some fittings for our drip irrigation in, and this is the edging material. I'll leave a link to this in the video description. It's actually meant for automotive use. This would be something you would expect to see around the edge of a door or on a trunk or an older car. But let's go put this stuff on. It's not necessarily sharp or bad, the edging, but when we put it in, I didn't realize we were going to put this fabric on. But the edging will look a whole lot better than these clips at holding this fabric in place. And it's easy enough. You just push it right over the top. So always seems to be some struggles where there's two pieces or where the fabric gets all bunched up. This raised bed consists of a bunch of metal sections that are screwed together. And right here there's two overlapping sections, so the metal is twice as thick. And then when you add in the landscaping fabric, there's actually quite a bit of material I'm trying to push this edging over. But once you get past those spots, it goes relatively quick. So even though this drip edging is a thick rubber type material, it's actually got a metal lining inside of it that's like a clip that will actually hold on to the metal. And once you get it on there, that metal clip will hold it in place and it will last a long time. So you can see what I'm doing is not that difficult or complicated. It's just time consuming. So here's a close-up of those two metal sections and how I push it over the top of them. And now you can see it's time to finish this bed up and cut the excess off. And even though the scissors are fine for the plastic, there is that little metal piece inside of it. And I needed to cut a little bit more of it off. But once you get that piece of metal out of there, I'm done with the edging. The next thing to do is to cut off the excess landscaping fabric. And that is really easy to do. And all you need for that is a utility knife with a fresh blade in it, and the landscaping fabric cuts pretty good with a little bit of pressure and that metal behind it. I feel like this is a mug shot, but it's the only place I could find that was in the shade. So that wraps up the drip edging. So if you were like me and you bought some inexpensive raised beds that didn't come with it, or if you have some that are old and they're coming apart, just go to Amazon and order some fresh ones. They go on relatively easy. You just cut them with a pair of scissors. And we like the way they turned out. And had I known we were going to like the raised beds, I probably would have bought the better kind that had some with them. Well, like always, like, subscribe, check out those playlists, and I will see you in our next video.